What's up YouTube, it's Eli and I'm back in with another video. Today for you guys I'm doing a quick review on this product right here, the Wave Essentials. I'll leave the link to their IG and their website in the description, as they sent me a little care package. So let's open it up and see what's in it. What came in the care package is this right here. It's kind of similar to the Lay Down G, but it's way smaller. So you could just put your hand, got a little thing for you to put your hand in, and you can lay down your hair. I actually like this product. I would definitely be doing the plastic bag method more. This is way easier to carry around, and it's way easier to use than a Lay Down G. They also sent this oil, and it has instructions on the bottle of how to use it. Oils in here: black castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil. And the smell is nice too. I smelled it already. It smells good, so I can't wait to use this. And they also send a few products to work on your crown. They sent me a crown brush. These are two tools that you could use to help your crown when you're isolating your crown, which is kind of funny because I just dropped a video on a crown isolation, and then this came the next day, which is funny, but I'm gonna just do another video. This is what I really want. This is gonna get you some good work on your crown, some good detail work on your crown. They got the comb on the end, and then they got the brush. Remember I told you guys in my old video to use an old toothbrush for your crown? Well, you could use this instead. And lastly, it got a little crown patch. As you guys remember, I used to use a crown patch in my old videos, in my old videos, but I lost it because it's so small and I lost it. So I'm gonna try not to lose this one. So this is a crown patch, and when you get done with that crown work, you can put the crown patch on top of it and then put the durag on top, so you know you can secure your crown. And they sent me some good products, you guys, and I can't wait to use them, especially these two, this right here and this. But I feel like this one right here is gonna be my best friend when working on my crown. I can't wait to get a little crown video with this one. But that's basically it. It was just a little quick review, quick unboxing. As always, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys could comment videos that you guys want me to do. And as always, you guys, stay wavy.